Check this one out. Okay, on the count of 3, with your eyes closed, I want you to act like a jackhammer. 1, eyes closed. I'm looking at you. Eyes closed. 1, 2, 3, jackhammer. Give me my hand, guys. Okay, now check this out. And keep this in mind. Why did you say that? Threw me all off my game. I'm joking. Keep this in mind. This is applicable to all of us, okay? Again, let me re-emphasize. You are a leader in all types of capacities. And the first person you must lead, guess who the first person you must lead is? Yourself. Okay? My mentor said it this way. He said, if I had to kick the person in the rear that was most responsible for my mistakes, I would be able to sit down for a whole month. Okay? And here's the bottom line. If you would not follow you, why should somebody else? So hopefully an exercise like this will help you to recognize that when you leave this place this week, know for sure that you have influence and you want to constantly not just be amplifying your job description, but how about your job development? That was good, but I heard an amen, I heard a okay? Not just your job description, but how can you amplify your job development? All right, watch this. Group A, seagulls, eyes closed. I'm looking at you, eyes closed. Bring that same image in your mind that you are a seagull. Bring that image in your mind that you are a seagull. But on the count of 3, with the image in your mind that you are a seagull, I want you to act like a jackhammer. 1, 2, 3, go. You can start. Very good. Way to go. Give him a hand. So we got eyes closed. Come on, eyes closed. I'm looking at you. Eyes closed. Bring that image in your mind, that wonderful, glorious image of being a jackhammer. Bring it in your mind, good and fresh. And on the count of 3, with that image in your mind as a jackhammer, I want you to act like a seagull. 1, 2, 3, go. There we go. Was it easy the first time?
Easier, yes.
Why?
Because you only had to concentrate on one thing.
Okay. The biggest challenge on the second round?
You were confused about what you
Yeah, I
were
was confused on whether I was a seagull or a jackhammer.
Repeat that again.
I was confused whether I was a seagull or a jackhammer.
Because you were trying to act like one thing, but hold another image in your mind, right? Okay, very good. Thank you. How about over here?
trying to figure out how to be delicate. It's okay.
Okay. Same thing?
It was tough.
It was tough.
Yeah, being a jackhammer and trying to be delicate. That's not what I have in my mind.
Yeah, okay. Kind of throws you out of your whole character. What's your name again, friend?
Kirk.
Kurt. Did y'all know it's Kurt? I grew up in the black church. And when I was a kid, it scared me. first time the music was playing real hard, you know, like, I mean, just real fast, and the organ was playing, and a lady got up and did this.